In the world of football, there are players, and then there is Cristiano Ronaldo. He is not just a player, he is a phenomenon. Today, we'll explore his journey from humble beginnings to global superstardom. This is more than just a biography. It's a testament to dreams, dedication, and sheer willpower. Join me as we uncover the inspiring life of Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, aka CR7. From his early days in the Portuguese island of Madeira to becoming one of the most recognizable faces on the planet, Ronaldo's story is a captivating tale of triumph over adversity and the relentless pursuit of excellence. So, let's kick off this incredible journey. Our story begins in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, on February 5, 1985. Ronaldo's childhood was marked by both joy and hardship. Growing up in a close-knit family, he developed a passion for football at an early age, honing his skills on the street with makeshift balls made of rags. His dedication was evident as he juggled these rag balls for hours, dreaming of a future where he would play for Sporting CP, one of Portugal's top football clubs. But life wasn't all rosy. At 12, Ronaldo faced a devastating blow when his father, José, abandoned the family. This challenging period was financially tough, with his father's absence leaving them with limited resources. Despite the economic hardships, Ronaldo's mother, Maria Dolores, worked tirelessly as a cook and his family's sole provider, ensuring that her son had the chance to pursue his football dream. She showed him that even in the face of adversity, strength and determination could pave the way for success. His talent didn't go unnoticed. At the age of 12, he was spotted by a scout from Sporting CP and offered a place at the club's academy in Lisbon. However, this presented a dilemma. He could either accept the offer and pursue his football dreams, or stay with his family in Madeira. Ultimately, he chose to follow his heart, moving to Lisbon alone to chase his big dreams. Despite being far from home and facing homesickness, Ronaldo threw himself into training. His raw talent and relentless work ethic quickly made him stand out among his peers. Under the guidance of experienced coaches, he refined his skills, instilling in him the values of discipline, teamwork, and respect. These formative years were instrumental in shaping not only his football career, but also the character that would define him. At 17, his exceptional performances caught the eye of Sir Alex Ferguson, manager of the renowned English club Manchester United. Stepping onto the field at Old Trafford for the first time, he was greeted by the roar of thousands of fans. The magnitude of this new challenge was not lost on him. As he trained with some of the most successful players in history, the pressure was immense, but it only fueled his determination. During his time at Manchester United, Ronaldo blossomed into one of the world's best players. His signature moves, like the step over and the now famous celebration after scoring a goal made him a fan favorite. With every match, he grew in confidence, scoring crucial goals and helping the team secure numerous titles. But beyond the trophies, something equally significant was happening. Fans from all corners of the globe were falling in love with him, not just because of his skills, but also because of his sportsmanship and humility. His impact on and off the field was undeniable. However, in 2008, rumors began circulating about his potential transfer to Real Madrid, one of United's fierce rivals. For Ronaldo, this move was a daunting prospect. Leaving Manchester United meant parting ways with a club and fans who had become a part of his life. But the lure of a new challenge and the opportunity to make history at Real Madrid proved too tempting to resist. On June 2009, he officially joined Real Madrid for a then world record transfer fee of £94 million. The weight of this massive transfer fee was a constant reminder of the expectations placed upon him. But Ronaldo thrived under pressure. He took it as motivation to prove his worth and deliver results. During his time at Real Madrid, he formed an attacking partnership with Karim Benzema and Gareth Bale that became the envy of Europe. Together, they led Real Madrid to numerous victories, including 4 UEFA Champions League titles and 2 La Liga championships. The Santiago Bernabéu Stadium echoed with the chant of his name as he etched his name in Real Madrid's history books. Yet, amidst this success, Ronaldo remained grounded. He understood the fickleness of football and the importance of staying focused. Each victory was celebrated, each trophy cherished, but the hunger for more never faded. In 2016, after a successful 5-year stint at Real Madrid, Ronaldo made a surprising move back to Manchester United. This return was met with euphoria. Fans who had adored him during his first spell were ecstatic to have their favorite player back. The homecoming was everything he had dreamed of, and more. However, the joy was short-lived. Manchester United's failure to qualify for the 2018 FIFA World Cup dealt a blow to Ronaldo's spirits. Despite his individual brilliance, he couldn't bear to see his team underperform. As the season drew to a close, he knew it was time for a new challenge. On July 10, 2018, he made his next big move, signing with Juventus, one of Italy's most successful clubs. Once again, Ronaldo became the focal point of attention, becoming the all-time top scorer in international football and surpassing the legendary Eusebio to become Portugal's all-time leading scorer. As he approached his 35th birthday, questions arose about his longevity at the top. But Ronaldo silenced the doubters. He led Juventus to 2 Serie A titles and reached the final of the UEFA Champions League in 2020. Although Juventus's hopes of a historic treble were dashed by a late goal from French side Olympique de Marseille. Ronaldo's performance was a beacon of light in an otherwise disappointing season. However, towards the end of the 2020-21 season, Juventus's form dipped. Despite Ronaldo's efforts, they finished the season trophy-less for the first time since 2012. On August 28, 2021. After 3 glorious seasons with Juventus, Ronaldo made another stunning announcement. He was returning to Manchester United, completing a remarkable full-circle moment in his career. He wasted no time in making an impact. In his second debut for Manchester United against Newcastle United, he scored a magnificent goal, announcing his return to the Premier League in style. But the joy was short-lived. Manchester United's inconsistent form continued, and they were knocked out of the UEFA Champions League in the group stage, a first for the club in over 10 years. On April 2022, after a tumultuous stint at Manchester United, Ronaldo left the club once again. His departure marked the end of a remarkable era, leaving fans both nostalgic and hopeful for the future. Throughout his illustrious career, Ronaldo has been recognized with numerous accolades. He has won the prestigious Ballon d'Or award, a record 5 times, cementing his place among football legends. His impact on the game is immeasurable. He holds the record as the top scorer in the UEFA Champions League and the all-time top international scorer, showcasing his consistency and goal-scoring prowess on both the club and international stages. Beyond his individual achievements, Ronaldo's commitment to philanthropy is equally inspiring. He has used his platform to support various charitable causes, including the fight against muscular dystrophy and the construction of schools and hospitals in underprivileged areas. His generosity knows no bounds, touching countless lives around the world. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey from a young boy with a dream to the global icon he is today is a testament to unwavering dedication. His story is an inspiration, reminding us that with passion and perseverance, dreams can indeed come true. Whether you're a die-hard football fan or simply someone Ronaldo's legacy transcends the sport, it's a story that resonates with anyone who dares to dream big and chase it relentlessly. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the life of Cristiano Ronaldo. If you found this overview insightful and would like to explore more, don't forget to stay tuned. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams and never stop believing in the power of your own story. Now that you know his amazing story, would you like to learn more interesting facts about him? Well, here are 10 fun facts about Cristiano Ronaldo that will make you feel like you know him better. Did you know he has a fear of public speaking? That's right. One of the most famous people on the planet gets stage fright. But that doesn't mean he doesn't share his thoughts. In fact, did you know that he wrote a letter to his younger self? In the letter, he gave advice like always believing in yourself and having faith in God. He also said, your dreams can take you places you've never imagined. Did you know that he has a unique nickname? He's called O Fenomeno, which means the phenomenon in Portuguese. And he really has shown that he is a phenomenon in the world of soccer. Speaking of nicknames, did you know that he earned the nickname CR7? Well, it's simple. The CR stands for his first and middle names, Cristiano Ronaldo, and the 7 is his lucky number. Do you think he's superstitious? Well, maybe. He wears the number 7 shirt for this reason. And he always dyes his hair blonde so he can stand out. If you want to know how good he is, check out this fact. Did you know he's the all-time leading scorer for Manchester United? Now, did you know that he loves fast cars and motorcycles? But he also loves water sports like jet skiing and scuba diving. And he loves animals, especially dogs. He has several dogs, but he also helps animals in need. Now, if you want to know what his favorite food is, well, you guessed it, it's pasta. But he also likes fish. Did you know that he has a museum in his hometown? It's called the CR7 Museum, and it has items from his childhood and things related to his football career. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that he starred in a movie called Genuinely Yours? Well, now you know more about Cristiano Ronaldo. But do you know any Portuguese? Here are 10 basic phrases to get you started. 1. This is the most common greeting. It means hello. 3. Por favor. Use this to say please in Portuguese. 4. Desculpe. This means excuse me or sorry. 5. Sim. This is how you say yes in Portuguese. 6. No. This is how you say no in Portuguese. 7. Bom dia. Use this to say good morning in Portuguese. 8. Boa tarde. This is how you say good afternoon in Portuguese. 9. Boa noite. This is how you say good night in Portuguese. 10. Adiós. Use this to say goodbye in Portuguese.